When cleaning exterior windows, it's vital to make sure you have the right water for the job. Those working in areas with hard water will find it more difficult to clean windows, with the added minerals and chemicals posing a risk of damaging the glass. For window cleaning in hard water areas, Streamline has a solution in the MOBI Midget and MOBI Maxi RO systems. Perfect for transporting to areas a van or trailer system can't, the MOBI Midget is the most portable way to provide pure water in hard water areas, with its easy removable battery pack providing 8 hours of use on a full charge. All you need to get started is a mains water supply. Whereas if you need a dual operator system and a higher flow at your disposal and have access to a mains power supply, the MOBI Maxi ensures a powerful and efficient window clean. With no need for a separate water tank, even the largest schools, offices or shopping centres will be left spotless. And when accompanied with our over 8 pole at a length of your choosing, and our robust stainless steel hose reel, you'll be sure you can travel any distance and reach heights of up to 60 feet. Talk to Streamline today to find out if the MOBI Midget or the MOBI Maxi RO systems are the solution you need.